Do you see that last reel? Oh my goodness, look at this. Is that not gorgeous? Greetings, Heather with AerVelum here. How beautiful is that? Did you get my post on 4.25 acres? What would you do with it? Every person on the planet had 4.25 acres. What kind of problems would we solve? This is what you should be doing with your brains, people. Looking at the beauty of life, being grateful for your life, enjoying it, and thinking about what you do with your 4.25 acres. What problems that would solve, right? I really want to know what you think.